Hello guys, welcome back to Sabda channel, where today we will discuss the interesting rumors surrounding the 2025 Fiat 500. A timeless icon reinvented for the modern era, the Fiat 500 is ready to make a splash again. Let's discuss what to expect from the design. The 2025 Fiat 500 is expected to retain its classic charm while sporting a futuristic touch. Rumors suggest that the new model will feature a more modern take, thus enhancing its presence on the road without compromising its character, but with a touch that adds a sharp contemporary look. We'll probably get a new update, blending into the bumper to provide better aerodynamics and a cleaner look. As for the color palette, expect a bright selection that reflects the spirit of the 500. Moving on to the inside, the 2025 Fiat 500 is expected to blend aesthetics, with a focus on easy-to-use controls and an intuitive layout. Rumors suggest an upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen. Under the hood, the 2025 Fiat 500 is said to offer more than just a traditional gas-powered engine. While details are scarce, there is speculation about an all-electric version, building on the success of the current Fiat 500e. For those who prefer a conventional engine, it offers the perfect blend of efficiency and performance. The focus will likely be on city driving, with better fuel economy and lower emissions being top priorities. The 2025 model is expected to deliver a nimble and responsive ride, suited to urban environments. With improvements to the suspension and steering, drivers will be able to enjoy an engaging yet comfortable ride. While this is just a rumor, there is no denying the anticipation for the 2025 Fiat 500.